on.
All right, so every first Saturday of the month, we have the fishing gear swap meet outside the shop. Tables, they're very inexpensive. If you guys got some extra clutter or just doubles of something you're gonna get rid of, you want to make space for something brand new and fresh, tables are very inexpensive. Just reach out to us at the shop to reserve your table. And then it's from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. every first Saturday. And yeah, most of the guys that already have a table, this is their second or third time. We got a few new people this time around, and it's not so much just the buying and selling, but also just if you look around, everybody's wala'au, everybody's talking story. It's kind of like a good community event where you can come down. Maybe some people you haven't seen in a while. Maybe see, just talk story with people. It's a good time.
Good. And is there anything you'd like to tell us about your new store that's about to be open?
Oh, the Mililani one.
Yeah.
It's same hours as here, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 days a week in Mililani. It's in the Mililani Shopping Center where you'll find Mililani Restaurant, the Shack, Foodland. It's across the street where Jack in the Box used to be.
Okay.
9 a.m. to 7 p.m. We got the same stuff here, but we are actually kind of catering specifically to the Mililani crowd. So if there's something that you guys are looking for, definitely let the cashiers know. We'll make sure we have it restocked next time you come in.
All right, super. Well, thanks a lot for your time, Bill. I really appreciate it.
All right, brother. Thank you, Chris. Aloha.
This guy here made a major score. That's the Salt X2, the completely sealed unit, and I was gonna get that, but he was ahead of me, so I was waiting. But I guess he knew what it was too.
All right, everybody. This is the once a month swap meet over at Ewa Beach HiFishGear. You see the sign there, HiFishGear. This person has lures, scale over there that they weigh the fish free for people coming in. And this guy's a legend right here.
How you, Chris? How you, Chris?
How's it, brother?
Good, boss. Not long time no see you.
Figure I see you here. Yeah, same here. Wow, look at the rods this guy gets. All right. And tables are fairly priced. Morning. This is a nice thing that Bill does for the community, so people can come and get rid of their used gear that they no longer use, and maybe somebody else can make use of it. Whew. These guys get some major stuff. Major. All right. After I do this, I have to take a look around. All right. Get gyro spinners. Morning. Nice, you don't see too many flies around anymore. Strate. Probably one of the most popular shoreline reels around here. Good price, $8. Not bad. This person here has some morning.
Hello, good morning.
Has some miscellaneous lures,
Okay.
floaters. So it's kind of nice that Bill does this for the community. People have a chance to get rid of gear they're no longer use, and somebody else can make benefit from it. All right.
Wow, this place is loaded with hammers. Take a look at these guys here.